All right, hey everybody, how's it going? So today I want to introduce you to the Craftsman 14-inch 8-amp corded chainsaw. I've had this thing for about a year now, and it has gave me no issues whatsoever. It actually works pretty good. This chainsaw comes in red, and the blade here is a black and gray. You can replace these blades as well. And once again, this is a 14-inch corded chainsaw. So you don't have to worry about recharging this thing. Right here on the top, this is where the oil goes. So that way you can make sure that the blade stays lubricated. It also has a window right here on the back. So that way you can see how much oil that you're putting inside of the chainsaw. But all in all, a really solid chainsaw. It's actually pretty lightweight. So when you're out there using this, it's not going to get very heavy and put a lot of strain on your arm, especially if you're going to be using it for prolonged periods of time. I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up so that way you can hear what it sounds like. Now, keep in mind, I do use this chainsaw on the regular, so we might get a little bit of debris on the table, but never mind that. I just want you guys to hear what it sounds like. So in order to get this thing going, what you need to do is make sure you plug it up. And then right here on the side, this is basically going to be your safety lever right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to push down on this, and then you're going to pull the trigger right here, and then that will fire up the chainsaw. So go ahead, push that down. So again, this is the 14-inch Craftsman Chainsaw. It is corded. The thing works really good. If you're thinking about getting one, go ahead and pick one up. It's lightweight, fire red with the gray and black blade on there that is replaceable. I would highly recommend this chainsaw.